Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to report Snapchat account. First of all, you need to make sure that you're on your chat section, and then you should select a person that you want to report them. For example, this one. Click on them and then hold, and you'll need to go on the more section, and after that, as you can see, the first three are with red color, and you need to choose the first section that says report. Go and click on it. Now you need to have a reporting section that they will be able to get a feedback from you. For example, I will go with this person was spam account, or it's pretending to be someone else. I will go with spam account. Now you should choose another option that may include in your feedback to the Snapchat support team. For example, we'll use the first one. Go submit. Now you have the option to block him as a friend. I will not go and block him. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.